Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be unboxing my 5 new pairs of Crocs that cost over $200. I was just online one day and really wanted a new pair, and then I couldn't decide between what colors I wanted, so I got 5 pairs. Here's my box. It's a little banged up, but that's okay. Crocs aren't that fragile. And it's actually already kind of torn open, which is always a good sign when you get mail. So I'm just gonna bring that all around. Whoa, it's stuck on this side. Here they are. Oh my goodness. Some of them are bagged, some of them are not. Just a little. So first we got our sale pair. My new orange Crocs. They're very orange, and because they're orange and blue, they're almost like gator-ish, but I'm not gonna think like that. I just think they're really cute. They're called Blazing Orange with the rainbow band clog, and they have the blue little Croc decal there. So those are cute. Don't want to take them out of the bag yet because don't want them to get dirty. And then I also bought these pink ones that are ballerina pink, roomy fit. They're like a nice light metallic-y pink. Just your basic Croc though. Classic clog, I think they call it. I also got a pair of light blue ones, so like the blue equivalent of those ballerina pink ones. That blue is called chambray blue. Yeah, I don't know how you say that, but it's C-H-A-M-B-R-A-Y. So probably chambray. Something. Maybe a little more fancy. But I really like these ones. They're like a light blue, but more of like a true blue or indigo blue rather than like a greenish turquoise blue. Excited about those. Ooh. I got a pair of gray Crocs because they're practical and they won't really look dirty. They're slate gray. I don't know. I couldn't decide what to get, which to get, the light or the dark gray. But I went with the dark, and I'm pretty happy. They look nice. And then my white Crocs. I'm so excited for these, and they're gonna get dirty so fast, but I don't even care because they're so cute and they're gonna look so crisp on my feet. So that's all my 5 pairs of Crocs. Yay! Back into the box they go. Whoop. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!